we're going to talk about what you need to know about Korean skincare. How does it work? We're going to give you some information to help you get started using Korean skincare. And I'm also going to take you on a quick short tour to one of the local skincare stores that sells mainly Korean skincare products that are natural based. So Korean skincare, it's gained great popularity worldwide because of its unique approach and also the emphasis on achieving clear, radiant and healthy skin. There are several aspects that make Korean skincare stand out from other traditional cultural skincare methods. First of all, it's multi-step routine. Korean skincare is known for its multi-step skincare routine, which typically involves several steps, sometimes up to 10 or more steps. And this routine, what it is special about it is that it emphasizes thorough cleansing, it emphasizes hydration, targeted treatments, and sun protection. Each step is designed to address specific skincare concerns and nourish the skin. The second aspect of Korean skincare is a focus on hydration. Hydration is a cornerstone of Korean skincare. The use of hydrating toners, the use of hydration essence, serums is very common. It's very rooted in their culture because of the belief that it provides the skin with a moisture boost. Hydrated skin is more plump, it's more smooth, and it's more youthful looking. The third aspect is their use and utilization of natural ingredients. Korean skincare incorporates many different natural ingredients, and their main ingredients are green tea, snail mucin, rice extracts, honey, and also the use of fermented ingredients. And these natural compounds actually provide various benefits, including their soothing, their brightening, and their anti-aging effects. Also, the utilization and use of sheet masks. Sheet masks are an integral part of Korean skincare, and these masks are infused with various beneficial ingredients, and they are designed to adhere closely to the skin. They deliver concentrated nutrients and moisture. Sheet masks are also super easy to use, and they provide an instant boost to the skin's appearance and hydration levels. Also, when it comes to their ability to protect from the sun protection is considered very essential in Korean skincare, and there's an emphasis on using sunscreen daily because it helps prevent premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and sun damage as well. And there is a focus on prevention. Prevention is a big thing when it comes to Korean culture as well. Korean skincare encourages a proactive approach to skincare. It focuses on prevention rather than solely treating existing skin conditions. Now, regular use of skincare products, early intervention, they all lead to a better skin health in the long run. Also, their customization. They're very flexible with their customization. Korean skincare actually emphasizes tailoring to the routine of individual needs. There is a no one-size-fits-all approach. The products are often designed to address various skin concerns, various skin types also, and they really allow the users to create a personalized skincare regime. Now, how does it work? How does Korean skincare work? Well, the effectiveness of Korean skincare, it lies in its consistency, dedication, and focus on addressing specific skin concerns. By following the multi-step routine that we are going to talk about with the products that target different aspects of skincare, the users can nourish and maintain the health of their skin. So there's a multi-step routine that happens here, and it's basically helps to cleanse effectively. Proper cleansing actually removes impurities, removes excess oils and makeup, and it allows for other skincare products to be better absorbed. Then we have the routine of hydration and moisturizing. It improves the skin barrier's function. It leaves it plump, smooth, and protected against environmental stressors. Thirdly comes in the phase of treating specific concerns. And there's an emphasis on treating or targeted treatments with ingredients like niacinamide, vitamin C, retinol, all address issues such as hyperpigmentation, acne, and fine lines. And also there is a phase of nourishing and repairing the skin through using natural ingredients, through using antioxidants, all help to nourish the skin and promote skin renewal and repair. Lastly, there is the protection from the sun damage. There is a daily sun protection. It really does help prevent premature aging, and it reduces the risk of sun-induced skin issues. Overall, Korean skincare focuses on maintaining skin health, on promoting a radiant complexion, and addressing specific concerns to achieve a youthful and glowing appearance. However, it's really essential to remember that skincare is a personal journey. What works for one person may not necessarily work for another. Consistency and patience are key to achieving the best skincare results possible. If you have used Korean skincare before and it has helped you, I'd love to hear your comments and your experiences in the comment section below. And if you did enjoy today's video, share, like, and subscribe. In the next video, I'll be talking about how to incorporate Korean skincare into your daily routine according to your skin type, and how to start with the basics as well. So click on the bell icon in order to be notified on all our new videos. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.